Okay, hi, let's set up an assignment and issue some resources to the students, and they can have their own copy of the resources. Here we go. We create an assignment and give the assignment a title. Assignment will do. You can put some instructions in if you want. You can set the date it's due in and the time if you want to. Let's make it due in midday tomorrow. Okay, so that's due in midday tomorrow. Now we want to add some items. We could add files from your computer, Google Drive items, video clips, hyperlinks. Let's add some assignments from the Google Drive. It automatically goes to your most recent items where you've probably been working on these assignments, so that's really handy. I'm going to add these two items, a Google document and a Google table. Now the default setting you can see is students can view the file. So they can see it, they can't do anything to it. You can have an option, students can edit the file. That will allow all the students in the class the ability to edit the file at the same time. That can be really useful. But for my purposes, I want this to be an assignment that they work on individually. So make a copy for each student, and there you go. It's assigned. While we're waiting for that to be assigned, there it is, there's your view. Now there's only one student in my class, the profile user, and he hasn't done any work yet. But this unfortunately isn't the same view the students get. This is one of the reasons it's nice to have a dummy student set up, so you can show the students what their view looks like when you talk to the Google Classroom on the screen or something. So let's go down to the dummy user. Let's refresh so he gets the assignment. And so this is what the students see. Okay, you can see there's an open button. You could have some other attachments, but we haven't, so we could just open the assignment. And there he's got these two documents here. And the really good thing is these documents already belong to you, the teacher. He can't misfile them, he can't lose them, he can't delete them, and all his work is accessible to you at all the time. So we just open this up, for example. Pretty small. Okay, let's just type something in. Fox, blah 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 blah. And you see it's automatically been saved to the drive. If we went back to the teacher view, here we go. We could go in and have a look at profile user's work. It says he hasn't done anything yet, but I bet if we open this up, here we go, let's see if the changes have come through. And you can see this is your view as a teacher, and you might want to be doing some work, looking at what he's doing, and you could say, well, this is not very good spelling, so I can make a comment on it. Try to check your spelling, and you can say, please comment. And believe it or not, if we now go back to the students version again, there's your comment already appeared, so you can make comments in real time as the students are doing work. They find this rather spooky, and I find it rather fun. When they finish their assignment, they can press the turn in button. So there we go, turn in, and they get taken to are you sure you want to turn it in? And the answer is yes you do, so turn it in. And so he's done it. He can, if he wants to do some more work, he can unsubmit, but you have a record of that. But what's really useful for you as a teacher, so if we go back to, there's his work already open, let's close that for a minute. So we go back to our assignment, and you'll see he's now changed from not done to undone. And if we wanted to look at that, there's his work, he's in the done pile, and we can open up his work and have a read through it, and so on. And the comments should come on. There we go. So there you go. There's the use of the assignment in Google Classroom. I find it very useful.